Hi, today we're talking about hotel booking confirmations. So, if you're constantly sending hotel booking confirmations to your customers and you're in requirement of automating the process, then this video is for you. In here, you can see that we have got a hotel booking confirmation template which we have created in a Google document, and we have also got a hotel booking confirmation database created in Notion. So what we'll be doing is we'll utilize this particular Google document as a template file, and we'll be utilizing this Notion database, and we'll create an automation process where we can generate a PDF file one by one for every row of the database. So basically, if you see this Google document template, we have guest name which have been put inside double curly brackets on both sides, and we also have the guest name as the column in this database. So what it will do is it will fetch the guest name value from the database. It will replace the guest name field over here with the value from the database, and it will create a PDF file. So for all the columns in the Notion database, it will automatically fetch and it will replace the values onto this Google document one by one, and it will create a PDF file for every row of the database. So how this automation will work? First of all, make sure whatever placeholders you are using, put it inside double curly brackets on both sides, and use the exact same placeholders as the header row in the Notion database. After that, just head over to pdfoutput.com. This is the website which will help you create the automation, and then click on Get Started and click on Continue with Google, and choose any of your accounts which you are going to use for the automation. So I'll select this account, and once you are logged in, you will be able to start the automation process. So once you're logged in, you will be able to see an interface like this. We need to connect the Google document and the Notion database. So let's first connect Google Docs. Select the particular account which you are going to use where the document is located. Click on Continue, and click on this checkbox which allows you to give this permission. This is necessary and is required to generate the PDF file. Okay, make sure to check it out. Click on Continue, and your Google account is connected. Let's connect the Notion database. Let me copy the database name from here which we'll be using to connect it. So I'll copy the database name, and I will go to this Notion setup, click on Select Pages, and simply enter that name over here, and you can see the database popping up over here. Click on this, and the database access is added. Scroll down, click on Allow Access. So now we have connected the Google document, we have connected the Notion database. Click on Select Template and click on Browse Template. It will open up this window. Just copy the entire value of this Google document template and go back here and put that name over here. Okay, and search for it. Click on this and click on Select. It will load up the template. Click on this template and click on Use this template. Okay, so we have added up the Google document template file which shows all the placeholders that you are using. Click on Select Database. It will automatically show the database you have added. Click on this. So now both the Google document and the database are automatically added, and it will automatically map for us. So you can see all the placeholders have been mapped. If you click on Show Preview, it shows the Google document placeholder and the corresponding database placeholder which have been mapped with each other. Okay. Click on Generate three documents. If you want to manually map something, you have all the mappings shown over here. You can simply click on the drop down and use that exact mapping, whatever you need. Okay. Click on Generate, and as we have three rows of data, it will generate three documents for us. Okay, so let's wait as automation is going through. But a key thing to understand is whatever placeholder you are using, put it inside double curly brackets on both the side, and use the exact same thing as the header over here. If you're using a relational database, make sure the other database which is used as a relational database is also connected with when you're adding up the databases at the start. Okay, it will work with all the properties. So the download is done. Let's check the output. So this is the first document. So we have Amit Desai. We have all the details of Amit Desai. So as you can see, the database which I will opening up here. So this is Amit Desai. Okay. So you can see all the values have been correctly mapped. The reference number is HTL 987654, which you can see is matching up over here. So basically, it mapped all the fields from the database onto the template file. Okay. And let me show you the other one. So the second document is over here, which is Mira Iyer. So if you check the database, this is Mira Iyer, and let me show you the entire document. And finally, we have the last file, which is Rohit Kapoor. It is also fetched from the database. So basically, it mapped all the values from the database onto the Google document, and it created a PDF file out of that. This is how simple and easy it is to create the PDF file automation Only need a Google document as a template file with the proper placeholder, a Notion database matching the placeholder, connect both the things in PDF output and automate the process. So if you want to reconnect something, simply refresh and you can disconnect both these things. And once both the things are disconnected, you can reconnect to add the database and the Google document. If you want to reach out to me at Notion for my use at the rate gmail.com. I'll be happy to assist you with any queries. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.